What's up? I'm Lucas. Welcome to the Man-Made Shop. What's up? I'm Lucas here in the Man-Made Shop. Before I give a little walk-around tour of everything, a little bit more in depth, a few things that I want to touch base on are the shop itself. It's a basement shop. The whole space itself is about 1,400, 1,500 square feet, and I've got about 2/3 of that here. Being a basement, there is no direct walk out. There's a bulkhead. That bulkhead has probably 4 or 5 stairs, 5 stairs I think. And every piece of equipment that you see down here, and that you're going to see down here, every single thing, toolbox, workbenches with the exception of this main one at the miter station, everything came down the bulkhead. Bandsaws, drill presses, milling machine, everything down the bulkhead. But everything did come down this bulkhead. I do have interior access, so I can come and go as I please. What I really like about a basement shop is it stays pretty much uniform temperature year round. So it stays about 60, 65 degrees, which is great. One of the things that I did when I came into this space, there was no electrical, there's minimal electrical. I knew that I needed, adequate power for the shop. There was plenty of room in my panel. I have 200 amp service, so I was able to run 3 20 amp 120 circuits. The thought process for doing 3 was that I could have a dust collector, a power tool, and an air cleaner running simultaneously. I do have compressed air running the shop. One of the benefits to a basement actually is the joist cavities, the joist bays above. And what's nice is running electrical, running air, and storage. The bottom of here is about 6.5 feet off the ground. I'm not a super tall guy, so it works out. It's a great workspace for me. So I'm going to jump into a more in-depth handheld tour of the shop, walking around, talking about equipment, talking about layout, and if you've got any questions, any comments, definitely let me know. Thanks. So starting on the edge of the shop here, junk area. Everyone's got a junk area. Truck parts, a radial arm saw that I don't use. Lumber storage. Now, one of the big things in the shop is everything is on wheels. So lumber storage for small cutoffs, that's on wheels. Wood turning setup, the lathe, this whole bench is also on wheels. There's metal storage underneath. Glasses cleaning, that's very important. We've got bench grinder, dust collector. This is an Oneida Super Dust Deputy. Great collector. I use this for the wood bandsaw, which is a Delta Rockwell multi-speed. It's actually a gearbox saw set up for wood and metal, but I primarily use it for wood here. Also for the planer and the jointer air cleaner. Second sticker board. If you're not on here, you should be. Send me a sticker. Compressor in the corner. This is essentially the woodworking wall here. Joiner, planer, wood bandsaw, lathe. That's the only exception there. And then this side of the shop is metal. So milling machine, which is a Wrong Fu Walker Turner metal cutting cast iron bandsaw from the 40s, I believe, and a drill press. This is just a small dust deputy here. I keep all my mill bits down here, storage underneath the bench. Right now, this is what I've got for table saw. It's the biggest DeWalt job site saw, and my outfeed is also my main workbench, which is obviously not ideal, but it works. Got my airdrops up top. Clamp storage is all up in the ceiling. We got small parts and hardware storage on this wall. It's just commonly used stock, smaller parts, miscellaneous things, Tapcons. I use that stuff a lot. Zip ties, corner clamps, this everything. Weird stuff in there, old stuff. Hydraulic lift table. Also super handy to have. This thing has been very useful. First tool storage chest here on the license plate wall. This is mostly mechanics tools, wrenches, impact sockets, drill bits, pry bars, sanding stuff. Here is one of the dust collectors. It's the Metabo. Miter station. We've got sanders and belt grinders on the back, saws in the middle, dust stopper under here, which is my dust collection for the miter saw exclusively. Some old style Milwaukee organizers here. And we've got the charger board here, rapid chargers, the rack for all the drills, other dust extractor. This box here is sort of beater screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, ball peen hammers and stuff. Do have a lot of files and chisels in here. Sawzalls down the bottom. Second tool chest is where I keep power tools and batteries. So I'll keep my quality pliers up there that I use a lot. Same thing with screwdrivers, junk, bits and all that kind of stuff. One of the Milwaukee drawers, DeWalt drawers, grinders in the bottom. Precision stuff here, a lot of Starrett, a lot of old Lufkin micrometers, all that kind of stuff. Storage shelf. Boy, I keep a lot of stuff up here. We've got some sustainers, fine sustainer, it's a super cut, some miscellaneous air nailers, the Prazzi, metal cutoff saws on the bottom, routers and accessories, stock. The pack out goes here. Dolly and a couple of stacks. There are some tools in this pack out. Keep some bulk lumber storage here. Electronics bench here that I work on. Lighting, 12 volt bench tester here. Outputs 12 volts. Welder goes in there. And that's about it. Pack out and everything here. Miter station charging. Workbench in the middle. Storage. Grinders. Metal fab. Wood fab, storage, and that's it.